Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 23rd of November, 2023. We're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash today, see where the new price targets are going to be. You guys can see I didn't do a price prediction on my last video for Bitcoin Cash. So let's get right on into it. You guys can see that the market currently is up around 5% in Bitcoin Cash, and we are seeing price get rejected on this downtrend line, which I've created here on this particular channel. Now, do you think price is going to break it? Because if so, then we will begin to see Bitcoin Cash go higher. So let's go ahead and talk about that real quick, because we may be in the beginning stages of us actually seeing the market in Bitcoin Cash do just that. So right now we got 12 hours and 4 minutes left on this current 3-day price bar. And you guys can see here that yes, we are seeing some rejection coming in the market in Bitcoin Cash right here around $120. So let's go ahead and identify that. You guys can see on how many 3-day price bars that the market action in Bitcoin Cash cannot break above it. So we really need to wait and see if the market in Bitcoin Cash is going to have enough momentum to break 120 to the upside. 5-day price chart, you guys can see it here again. I'm not really seeing any indication that the market is weak right now in Bitcoin Cash. Here it is on the weekly chart. The only thing that I see is an issue right now is $120 as resistance. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this on the 2-day chart. And you guys can see that yes, selling is currently coming into the market in Bitcoin Cash. So let me look at this on the hourly chart real quick to see what type of price action that we're getting. And precisely exactly what I said earlier, we're seeing where the selling is coming into the market in Bitcoin Cash. It's coming in right here. Pretty much where we expected to see it. Like, this is where we needed to see some selling coming to the market if we're going to see it anywhere. Right there around that descending line into the market in Bitcoin Cash. So actually we need to see if the buyers are going to continue to hold the price in Bitcoin Cash right around this trend line. Okay, so allow the market to come back down $113, no lower than this price action trend line, which I've just created, to let us know if the buyers are still amped to continue to try to move this market in Bitcoin Cash higher. Here it is on the 3-hour chart. You guys can see pretty much that yes, we need to wait and see how low the market's going to go. I'm looking around 112 as an area of support, no lower than $110 though. So as we see this market trade over the next couple of hours, we need to allow the buyers to convince to us that they're still willing to buy Bitcoin Cash. All right, so from out the gate, I'm looking for the price in Bitcoin Cash to trend to the downside just a little bit over the next couple of hours. Around 112, maybe $110 is the location that we need to see buyers approach the market in Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this back on the daily chart though. Since we are noticing that the current trajectory for Bitcoin Cash is down, so let me say that out from the gate, that I'm looking for price in Bitcoin Cash to initially go down. But what occurred over these last couple of daily time frames right here is where I'm going to drop my price prediction. This is what I'm basing my projection as to where I suspect price is going to go off of what occurred on these daily price bars right there. And I do suspect that the market of Bitcoin Cash, if anything, is just going to continue to trade within the trading range. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart real quick and let you all go, because I'm going to look for the market even within the trading range to trend a little bit higher. Okay, now we got the support coming in around $100, meaning that as long as Bitcoin Cash trades above $100, I'm going to look for the market to ever so slightly go higher. Okay, now the first price target we've already seen the market of Bitcoin Cash hit, so that's going to be my first one, which is around 5.5% right there, around $120. My second one is going to be around 125, that's 9%. And then my third one's going to be at 130. So we got 120, 125, and around $130 for the third price target. Okay, so let me go ahead and transition this downtrend line to the one to which I'm looking for the market in Bitcoin Cash to consolidate in. So I'm going to switch this over into a trading channel so that we can focus our attention on what we're really looking for the market to do right now in Bitcoin Cash. And that's it, I'm done. You guys can see overall that the market is not too volatile in Bitcoin Cash ever since June, beginning of June of this year. We haven't seen too much in terms of a trend occur into the market of Bitcoin Cash, which is why I'm just going to pretty much go that same route right now. But even in the midst of that, looking for the market in Bitcoin Cash go ever so slightly to the upside. Now it's your turn. Hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. Give me your thoughts. Give me your price targets to where you think Bitcoin Cash is headed. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.